Leila. I'm hungry. Me too. Okay, what do you want to eat? I have a better idea. Delicious clam soup. Woo, woo, let's cook. Wow, you're so fast. I'm getting more hungry just watching you. Now we add everything. Only 15 minutes, and it's ready. Excuse me, Bal. I am not tea cooked yet.
Best idea ever!
Told you.
I feel powerful. I'm faster than you. Flying is faster. Let's race. 2, 1, Joe! Ho! I'm winning! Watch me. Huh? Ouch! I can't leave you. Hold on, I'll help you. Thank you. Oh. Let's finish together.
The winner is friendship.
Best win ever.